Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Sometimes businesses want to vary an item's price when selling the item to different customer types. For instance, you may charge different rates for residential customers versus commercial customers. You can associate price levels with specific customers so that each time you create a sales form for that customer, QuickBooks will use the appropriate price level when calculating rates and amounts for the line items listed within the sales form for the selected customer. You can also associate price levels with specific line items within a sales form if desired. Using this method, you are only discounting specific items in a sales form, not all items for a specific customer or type of customer. Price levels make it easy to use different rates for line items within sales forms without having to calculate percentage amounts manually. Price levels can affect amounts for service, inventory, and non-inventory part items only. Also note that price levels are, however, only a feature of QuickBooks Pro or QuickBooks Premier. In QuickBooks Pro, you can only set price level discounts as a flat percentage. If you use the QuickBooks Premier version, however, you can set price levels for various quantities of individual items if preferred. In this lesson, we will examine how to create basic price levels in QuickBooks Pro. To access and create price levels, first open the price level list. You can do this by selecting Lists from the menu bar and then choosing the Price Level List command. Next, click the Price Level button in the lower left corner of the Price Level list and select the New command from the pop-up menu that appears. This will then open the new price level window, where you can enter the information about your new pricing level. Start by entering a name for the new pricing level into the Price Level Name text box. Next, select whether the price level will increase or decrease item prices from the drop-down, and then input the percentage. You can then use the Round Up to the Nearest drop-down to select how you wish to round the pricing that is calculated. Once you've set the price level, just click the OK button to add it to the price level list. As with your other lists, you can select an entry that you've made, and then click the Price Level button to edit or delete your entries if needed in the future. Once you've created your price levels, you can then either assign them to specific customers in order to apply a selected price level to all future sales for that customer, or you can apply a selected price level to specific line items in your sales forms manually as the need arises. You can apply a default price level to any customer when using the Edit Customer or New Customer windows. Now in either of these windows, you can select the Additional Info tab and then use the Price Level drop-down to select a default price level to associate with this customer's sales. Then just click the OK button to set the price level for that customer. In the future, when you create a sales form for this customer and select items in the line item area of the form, you will then see that customer's price level calculated and applied by default. Also notice that after you've created price levels, you can then use the Rate drop-down that appears within your sales forms to select a price level on a per line item basis if needed. Now this allows you to manually set a pricing level for selected items within a sales form, if preferred.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.